to Tipperary. It's a long way to...
The music is just so powerful, so beautiful. They are the songs that dismantled an empire and they gave birth to this nation that we have today.
It's a long way to Tipperary, and my heart lies there.
I don't think it's what you expect, and I think that makes it really interesting, and I think the audience will be emotionally charged by it.
I love the idea of taking the songs of the time, the songs that the people sang in 1916, and giving them new life.
Hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road and all the way to Dublin, whack for Aldera. Hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road and all the way to